Hello again, everyone. While the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's release is just around the corner, the leaks have been pouring in, creating quite a stir. However, let's address one particular leak that has been circulating for a while, but might not be entirely accurate. A leaked photo has sparked speculation in the tech world that some changes may be on the way for Samsung's flagship line. This leaked image now shows something that many of us have been anticipating. A flat screen on the S24 Ultra. This is a significant departure from its predecessor's curved screens. Because the release date is so close, believing this leak may not be a stretch. But before we get too excited, one of our trusted sources, SuperRotor, shared some intriguing information. According to SuperRotor, while the top and bottom bezels on the S24 Ultra are reportedly half the size of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, there is a subtle 0.3 to 0.4 mm curve on the bezels that might not catch your eye but could be felt when you hold the device. It is a minor point to consider if you are particular about the look and feel of your phone. So, here's the big question. Would the slight 0.3 to 0.4 mm curve on the bezels be a deal breaker for you if you were considering the Galaxy S24 Ultra's flat display? Are these changes enticing enough to sway you away from your current device? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. And let us not forget about the build and the powerhouse hidden within this potential beast. According to rumors, the S24 Ultra will be made of titanium and powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, a powerful combination that promises incredible performance. But here's where things get interesting. There is talk of reducing the periscope lens optical zoom from 10x to 5x. But wait, there is more. The S24 Ultra may have a 6.8-inch display with a stunning peak brightness of 2500 nits, providing you with a stunning visual experience. The entry-level model could have 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, as well as a large 5000 mAh battery for long-lasting power. Mark your calendars because the latest rumors point to an unpacked event on January 17th, followed by pre-orders. That is 2 weeks earlier than the release of the Galaxy S23 series. And that's a wrap for today's update on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates and stay tuned for more. This is Tectics, signing off.